Okay. Hey guys, what you say? Hello.
Hello.
So you guys want to do the speed eating challenge, blindfold speed eating challenge today, myself and Fortune, okay? So if this is your first time of meeting Fortune, Fortune is my niece that's currently staying with me. So yeah, we thought of trying this challenge because this girl don't dey sharp mouth with me, so we don't get respect. Okay, so let's see who would win. We have our plates here, okay? So you guys will just judge there. We are not going to open our eyes till we are done eating. We are very, very hungry. Hey, my own plenty, oh, Fortune. Hmm? Okay. Are you okay? Okay. So, give me my own.
I tell what, this thing is transparent. See,
I will double it. Let me see.
they see your face.
But it's not transparent in my own eyes, so.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so what will I now use?
What's your own? Boy,
Now me go tie you that thing now.
I go tell
I go
myself.
clear you.
Did you draw for the head? No, I thought I'm strong.
Jesus.
Hey. Maybe your mama come.
Hmm? Now they suffer my own here.
You can try to. Yes.
You tie your way. Don't cheat though.
What you do?
I don't go cheat.
What's that?
In fact, I know the.
Put my plate.
Sorry, yeah. No, do that thing.
No, I won't shave my own, so I know I'm tired.
Chef,
Pack food for my own.
I'm not go back.
You sure?
Hey, make sure I enter camera. Now I try to find. Shift your nyash con this side small. Why you the whole hand there?
How you taste that? I can't bear this.
I close my eye.
Close some.
Eh?
Close some.
I don't close. What you?
I never do it in.
Oh yeah. 1, 2, ready, go. First to finish it. We're drinking a water. What is the ask for me now? Okay. Huh? I thought you finished this time. I was set to finish this time around.
If you don't harm me,
No.
it's good. And you harm me time. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Okay.
How?
Nothing. No harm me.
I'm not first one.
The first one.
I never open your eye.
I mean now. Don't open your eyes. Until this zone.
Yeah, I haven't opened. I got them.
If you tell your eye,
I got them.
I hope your own day week. They see.
I ain't doing it, man.
I play that in my
You
sense.
know they believe me.
Now I'm see. Now you cheat too.
Never. Hey guys. Comment down the comment section who actually won, if it was Fortune or myself. And remember, anybody that cheated is not a winner. Okay? Anybody that cheated is not a winner. Okay? See you guys in our next one. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. To like, share, and what?
Subscribe.
To this what?
Channel.
For more what? Videos. For more videos. Oh, guys, see you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.